Next on the list is the 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, Viking Blue over blue, another great color combo. Got all the restoration receipts. $390 in this bad boy with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic. This is a solid cruiser. This is
another affordable class.
And very affordable, absolutely. And, we try to focus on cars that are not just the top of the heap and the most expensive cars that we have in inventory. We try to focus on things that, you could start out with and work your way up to something a little bit more performance-wise or a little bit more luxurious or whatever you're looking for. So